Okay, this is how to use a Versa residential dumbwaiter. Dumbwaiter is at the floor and you want to open this door. All you have to do is press the button that's related to that. You'll hear a click. You can open the door. There's a 10-second timer. So if you have this door open more than 10 seconds, you'll have to press that button again to keep the door open. Okay. That's just a safety feature for kids not to play with it. So 10 seconds is the minimum amount of time for it to be ready. So again, if you want to open the door, you have to press the button that you're at and you can get into the dumbwaiter. You have usually the amount of buttons on the number of floors you have. So if you are second floor, you press, the dumbwaiter will come to you. The light will stay on as long as the dumbwaiter is coming to you. Once the dumbwaiter has arrived, the light will go out. That means the dumbwaiter is at that floor. Now the dumbwaiter is at that, you can open this door, and there's two doors, the landing door and the car door. You slide the car door up. Okay. In order for the dumbwaiter to go back again, you have to make sure that you close the inner door, the car door, and you also have to close this door. And now the dumbwaiter is ready to go. Then you can press the button to go away from you. And that's basically it. But the key point is to make sure the inside doors is closed, because there's a switch that will allow the dumbwaiter not to go if that door is open. The dumbwaiter will automatically stop at the second floor. And you'll know that it stopped, it's at the second floor, and you can use it from downstairs. Thank you.